This iPhone XS Max, pronounced XS Max, is the biggest smartphone Apple has ever made. The phone is completed with a 6.5-inch display and hardly has any screen bezel, and the now iconic screen notch will surely make this phone noticeable in the crowded. This phone is not only take a space in your pocket, but it is also expensive. As well as being the biggest, this iPhone XS Max is also the most expensive iPhone to buy, with Apple delivering a handset with a screen size that rivals the most premium of Android flagships. Apple has decided that now is the right time to supersize its smartphone display, and the iPhone XS Max is the first generation of the new, in the size factor. For those who want to have more screen for video and gaming on the move, this iPhone XS Max worth your consideration, while those wanting a premium experience without the supersized dimensions can take a look at iPhone XS. This iPhone XS Max starts at $1,099, £1,099, £1,799 Australian dollars, for the 64GB model, which is $100, £100, $170 more than the iPhone XS. If you want more internal storage, the 256GB iPhone XS Max price is $1,249, £1,249, $2,049, while the most expensive 512GB version has $1,449, £1,449, $2,369 price tag. We compared the iPhone XS Max to some other phones during our in-depth review, including the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, 6.4-inch screen, OnePlus 6T, 6.41-inch, and Sony's Xperia XZ3, 6-inch, and the iPhone felt thicker, and less planted in the hand than all of them. What's more impressive is that the XS Max manages to squeeze a huge 6.5-inch display into a body that's a touch shorter and narrower, at 157.5 by 77.4 mm, than the iPhone 8 Plus, which only boasts a 5.5-inch display. In addition, the iPhone XS Max also supports wireless charging, so you can charge this phone while listening to music at anywhere.